Hello everyone, and welcome. Today, I have a special story for you. This story is for everyone learning English. I know it can be hard sometimes, but I want you to remember this story. Once upon a time, in a big green tree, there was a small bird. This bird was very young. Its name was Pip. Pip lived in a nest with his mother and father. Every day, Pip watched the big birds fly. They soared high in the sky. They looked so free and happy. Pip wanted to fly too. "I want to fly like them," he said to his mother. His mother smiled. "You will, my dear," she said. "But you must be brave, and you must be strong." So, the next day, Pip decided to try. He stood on the edge of the nest. The ground looked very far away. He was a little scared, but he remembered his mother's words. He took a deep breath. He flapped his tiny wings. He jumped, but he did not fly. He fell. Thump. He landed on the soft grass below. It didn't hurt, but he felt sad. He looked up at the nest. It seemed so high. He climbed all the way back up the tree, which took a long time. His father saw him. "It's okay, son," he said. "The first try is always the hardest. You must try again." So, the next day, Pip tried again. He stood on the edge of the nest. He flapped his wings harder this time. He jumped with all his might. He flew for a second, and then he fell again. Thump. Back on the soft grass. Pip felt very discouraged. "Maybe I can't fly," he thought. He watched the other birds. They made it look so easy. Why was it so hard for him? He tried the next day and the day after that. He tried many, many times. Each time he fell. Sometimes he would get a little farther, a little bit of a glide, but he always ended up on the ground. He was tired, and his wings were sore. He wanted to stay in the nest forever. His mother came to him. She brought him a juicy worm. "Pip," she said softly, "look at your wings. They are getting stronger every time you try. Every time you fall and climb back up, your legs get stronger. You are not failing. You are learning." Pip looked at his wings. His mother was right. They did feel a little stronger. He thought about her words. "You are not failing. You are learning." This was a new idea for Pip. He felt a new energy inside him. He would not stop. He would keep learning. The next morning, the sun was bright. Pip stood on the edge of the nest one more time. He didn't feel scared anymore. He felt determined. He looked at the sky, not the ground. He took a very deep breath. He flapped his wings with all the strength he had. He pushed off from the nest and jumped. And this time, he didn't fall. He was flying. His wings caught the wind. He went up, up. He could see the whole tree. He could see the river. He could see the other birds. And he flew with them. It was the most wonderful feeling in the world. Pip flew all day. When he came back to the nest, his parents were so proud. "You did it," they chirped. Pip was proud of himself, too. He learned something very important that day. It's okay to fall. It's okay to fail. The most important thing is to get back up and try again. So, for all of you learning English, remember Pip. Some days will be hard. You will make mistakes. You might feel like you want to give up, but don't. Every mistake is a chance to learn. Every time you practice, you get stronger, just like Pip's wings. The moral of the story is simple. Never give up. You can do it. Just keep trying, one day at a time. Thank you so much for listening to my story today. I hope it helps you on your English learning journey. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more stories and lessons. We'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.